Hello everyone, it's Martin. Welcome to this video, and today I will show you how you can get great ideas for the design of your website. These are some examples of design that I've made using the two AI tools that I will show you right now in this video. So it saves a lot of time because we can literally have dozens of examples in less than 10 minutes, and it saves a lot of money as well because we don't need to work with a designer. A few days ago I had to make a website for a new podcast, so I thought that I would share with you how I made the design for this website. So for doing this, we will use two AI tools. The first tool is Midjourney. It will create the design for us. And the second one is UnderCover AI that will create the prompt for Midjourney. On UnderCover AI, there is a free plan. You can just go to undercoverai.xyz and sign up there. And for Midjourney, you can also use their free plan. That's fine. And you can just use the free rooms that they have. For me, I have a paid account, so I have my own server and I will just use it for now. Then here in Midjourney, we have to type the prompt, which can be a little complicated because there's so many parameters that we need to know, and it can be long to get good prompt and a good result. So that's why we will actually use UnderCover AI to create the prompt for us. Then we will paste the prompt into Midjourney and we will get our design. So just go to UnderCover AI, create your account if you don't have one already. And then once you have your account, just go to AI tools, images, website design. And here, all you have to do is just to describe the website that you want to make. You can put very little information if you want, which is cool if you don't know what you want. Like for example, you can do online store selling shoes, or if you already have an idea of what you want to do, you can add this information as well. Like for example, online store selling shoes using blue and red colors in a futuristic style. And that works for any type of website. It can be online stores, blog, podcast website, etc. You can do absolutely everything. So let's do a few examples together. First, let's say that you want to sell shoes and you have no idea of what you want your website to look like. So you can just input online store selling shoes and then click on Ask the AI. Then just wait a little bit and then perfect, now we have the prompt for Midjourney. And that's the perfect prompt for Midjourney to get web design ideas. It includes all the details that are required. For example, a sleek and modern online store selling shoes, featuring a clean and arranged layout with a bottom navigation design. So this is all the instruction that we will give to Midjourney to create a perfect design. And it also includes all the proper parameters at the end that we also need for great design. So that's perfect. Now we can just copy the prompt. So you need to copy from /imaging all the way to the end of the prompt. But do not include the full stop at the end, otherwise it's not going to work. So just stop at the last character just before the full stop. Then copy, go back to Midjourney, paste, and then send the message. And here we go. Now we have 4 examples of web design for our online store selling shoes. And if you go back to UnderCover AI, here we actually have 5 different prompts, and each prompt will give us 4 different designs. So that will already give us a total of 20 different designs. And if you want even more examples, then you can just ask the AI again and again until you get the perfect design for you. And that's what I do personally. I start by adding very little information into UnderCover AI. I just put what my website is about. So then I can get a lot of different colors and style. I like to generate sometimes like 50 examples, so I have a lot of options. Then I can pick something that I like, and then I will ask the AI to make me more design like this option that I like. So then I have even more ideas. And for example, let's say that we like the first example here at the top left with the dark blue and white. Then I will go back to UnderCover AI, and now I will ask the AI to write me some prompt for online store selling shoes using dark blue and white. Then click on Ask the AI. Super, great, now we have our new prompt. I just copy it, go back to Midjourney, paste the prompt, send the message, and perfect. Now we have 4 more examples that use the dark blue and white. And so this way you can start very broad online store selling shoes and then narrow down to the specific style and colors that you like. Online store selling shoes using dark blue and white. Also, another quick tip, in Midjourney you can ask to generate the same prompt again by clicking on this button here. So this is useful if you like the result and you would like to see more like this. You can upscale one of the image with this U button here. And you can also ask Midjourney to make a variation of an image with the V button here, which is very useful if you have one image that is almost perfect and you would like more examples similar to it. Now, let's do a second example together. Let's go back to UnderCover AI, and let's say that you want to sell makeup and you already know that you want to use the colors black, white, and pink, and you want a futuristic style for your website. So you write online store selling makeup, colors are black, white, and pink, and the style is is futuristic. Then you ask the AI, then you get the prompt, you copy it, go to Midjourney, paste the prompt, and send the message. And here we go, we have our new design, and they use the colors and style that we defined into UnderCover AI. And again, I would do a lot of prompts, I would do a lot of examples, so I get a lot of ideas, and then I would implement on my website the one that I like the most. Then one last thing to share with you is something that does not work very well at the moment, is to ask the AI for a specific page. If we go back to UnderCover AI, and you ask the AI for a product page, for example, you will get design, but it won't really look like a product page. For example, let's say a product page for an online store selling shoes. Let's ask the AI, then let's copy the prompt. Let's go back to Midjourney, paste, send the message. Now we have some cool design, but it does not really look like a product page, like we are used to see on other e-commerce store. So you can still try, and maybe you will get lucky because sometimes it works well. Or if you ask for a lot of web design ideas, you might get some designs that you can use for some specific page. But in my experience, it's better to use these two tools to stay general and get the overall style and colors for your websites. Most of the design that you will get will fit perfectly for your home page. It will give you the structure of the page, so you know where to put the title, where to put the images, how big the elements needs to be, and so on. And then you can adapt that to the other pages. And for doing that, either you give the design to someone who will build the website for you, or you can also do it yourself. I've made a full course for free here on YouTube on how to build a website by yourself without experience and without any knowledge. I will just leave the link in the description. And I've also made a newsletter about AI, and I share some use cases like this on how you can use AI to improve your business. You will also find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe because I will make more videos like this to help you grow your business, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.